Would you let me in? Would you let me go? I can't take it no more.